Hey, your car guy, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. Just want to make a quick video for everybody and talk to you about winter maintenance and why it matters. So winter's not letting up yet. So I want to talk to you about a couple things that we see on cars, why we try to stay in front of them, and how do we keep you guys safe and living life uninterrupted. So the first thing is the battery. Every time you come in and you have an oil change with us, we check your battery's state of health because we want to make sure that when you go out there on those 0-degree days that the car will do what it's supposed to do. So it's very important. If your battery in the Northeast here typically only lasts about 4 years, so if you're pushing the envelope with that battery, it's way easier and way cheaper and way more convenient to come in, have it swapped out, and not worry about being stuck on the side of the road or in a parking lot or somewhere when it's the most inconvenient thing possible. So batteries are cheap insurance to make sure that your car functions the way it should. The other thing that we notice when people let their batteries fail in today's vehicles is nobody ever uses the key lock unless there's an emergency, and it's very, very painful when you go out and you hit the unlock button and your car's dead because the battery's dead and none of the doors will unlock, and then you go to put the key lock in the lock and it's seized solid because nobody ever uses the lock cylinder anymore on an aged vehicle. It's very difficult. So it's very important that we lube up those locks and the door seals as well, the seals that go around the door, so that when that winter time comes and you got the car sitting outside with snow and ice on there, that the seals and the door do not freeze together and prevent you from getting into the vehicle. So very important stuff. Next is the coolant versus antifreeze. So we want to make sure that we have the right colligative properties in your coolant system by using antifreeze. So most vehicles nowadays typically always come with antifreeze. It's not like the old days where people would swap out water during the summer and run coolant or antifreeze during the winter. We run antifreeze all year long, but it's very important to make sure that we test it periodically to make sure that it can support those low temperatures that we're seeing now. It's very important. So when we look at the vehicle, that's one of our assessment points when we check over the vehicle. If you haven't had your vehicle the coolant exchanged within the past 2 years, it's a very good time to think about doing that right now. And then last thing, the undercarriage salt rinse. So these cars take extreme abuse during this winter time. The brine that the state puts down on these highways now, it has molasses in it. So like not only when you drive your vehicle down does it get the salt on it, but it has molasses mixed in there, so it's super sticky and it sticks to everything, and it's super corrosive and it'll wreck a car really quick. So it's very important that periodically, preferably after every snowstorm, once the roads get dry again, that you hit that car wash and try to find a car wash that actually has the undercarriage spray and get that done. It's a little bit extra. It's part of the platinum package typically, but it's money well spent to get that salt off of the undercarriage and keep your vehicle protected and lasting its useful life for you. So for this and some other tips, head on over to autorepair.shop.